important current affairs of 25th of August. So guys, what we will do is that we will pick up some of the important topics from the Hindu newspaper, Indian Express, PIB. Okay, so I am also including PIB in my daily prelims notes and also in my top 10 questions which I am giving daily. Okay, so please do follow the PIB, the important topics which I am giving. Please do follow that also. Okay, every day I'm covering PIB, at least top 3 or top 4 topics of PIB I'm covering every day. So I hope you are reading the DPN. If you're not reading the DPN, please do start following the DPN and the top 10 questions. Okay, so let us start our discussion, guys. So today the most important topic, okay, today's most important topic is that DRDO has tested the integrated air defense weapon system. Okay, DRDO has tested integrated air defense system. Okay, this is very, very important. So it was tested in integrated test range Chandipur in Odisha. Okay, so this Chandipur is an important map locations which you should know. Where is Chandipur located? Odisha. Okay, so guys, in this integrated air defense system there are three components. There are three components in this integrated defense system. What are these three components? First is the quick reaction surface to air missile. Quick reaction surface to air missile. What is the range of this quick reaction surface to air missile? It is 3 kilometers to 30 kilometers. Okay, next is, guys, advanced very short range air defense system. Advanced very short range air defense system. Here the range is 300 meter to 6 kilometers. 300 meters to 6 kilometers. It can basically target any drones or any missiles which are coming to the country. Okay, so this is the advanced very short range air defense system. The third one is, guys, high power laser based system. High powered laser based direct, okay, energy weapon. Okay, this is very important. High powered laser based direct energy weapon. Okay, here the range is 3 kilometers. Here the range is what? 3 kilometers. So you need to know what are the three components of integrated air defense system. So in short form, the three components, in the short form, guys, the three components are basically called as QS, quick reaction surface to air missile. Here the range is up to 300 kilometers. Second is, it is called very short range air defense system. Very short range air defense system. The range is up to, okay, 6 kilometers, 300 meters to 6 kilometers. And third is direct energy weapon. Third is direct energy weapon, which is laser based, Okay, direct energy weapon is third, which is laser based. Here the range is up to 3 kilometers. Is this clear, guys? So first topic is clear, everyone? In the comment box, guys, first topic, yes, QRSAM is first one. Second one is VSHORADS. Third is DEW. Is this clear, guys? All three are clear. Range is very important. Please do take note of the range. Okay, how many components are there and what is the range of each and every component? I have told you the range of each and every component. Range is very, very clear, very, very important. Quick reaction, the range is 300 kilometers. Very short range, the range is 6 kilometers. And high powered system direct energy weapon is 3 kilometers. Okay, guys, let us move on to the next topic, guys. The next topic, guys, you know, the Indian Navy is going to commission two stealth frigate. The name of these two stealth frigate is what? INS Udyagiri and INS Himgiri. Okay, these two new stealth ships are going to be commissioned by Indian Navy. The name of these two stealth ships are what? INS Udyagiri and INS Himgiri. It is under Project 17. Okay, so you should know this is a very important topic. You may get a question on this. It is stealth frigate. What is it? Stealth frigate. Okay, so this is again an important topic. Coming to international relations, guys, in international relation today, one of the important regions which is in news today is Kursk region. Okay, KURSK, Kursk region. Can anybody tell me where is Kursk region located? Where is Kursk region located? In the comment box, let me see how many of you are able to answer it. Where is Kursk region located? So it is under Russia. Okay, it is under Russia right now. It is under Russia. Okay, answer is Russia. Okay, it is under Russia. So recently what happened is, guys, the it is under Russia right now. Okay, recently what has happened is that Ukraine has fired missiles at a nuclear power plant in Kursk region. Okay, in Kursk region, Kursk. Okay, this is very, very important, guys, because whenever nuclear installations are involved, this becomes very, very important, because IAEA, which is United Nations watchdog for nuclear plants. Okay, this becomes very, very important, guys. Kursk region, it is in Russia. And it has a nuclear plant which was attacked recently by Ukraine. So regions in news are very popular. Another region which is news in today is Shan state. Where is Shan state located, guys? Where is Shan state located? Another region which was in news was Shan state. SHAN. Where is Shan state located? So what has happened is, guys, it is in Myanmar. Recently what has happened is that the revolutionary group, which is TNLA, Tang National Liberation Army. Okay, TNLA, Tang National Liberation Army. Okay, it has been accused of destroying one colonial era bridge, one of the tallest bridge. Okay, so one of the highest bridge basically. Okay, so Goktek bridge, it has destroyed the Goktek bridge in the Shan state. TNLA, very, very important, guys. UPSC has already asked Kachin rebels. Do you remember, guys, PYQ theme? UPSC has already asked Kachin rebels. So they may ask you, what is this Tang National Liberation Army, where it is active? Tang National Liberation Army. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear? Anyone? Are you following, guys? TNLA. Okay, very important. Shan state. Okay, next important international region today in news was Darfur region, El Fasher. So guys, you know that paramilitary force, the RSF, the rapid, okay, RSF, okay. So it has been accused of attacking a hospital in Sudan, Darfur region, Al Fasher, okay, Al Fasher, very, very important. So regions in news, very popular theme in UPSC prelims examination, regions in news. So today I gave you how many regions, guys? How many ribbon? Rapid support system. Yes, rapid support system. It's a paramilitary force which is fighting with the Sudanese army, and they have attacked one hospital in El Fasher in Darfur region. Guys, very, very important. Sudan is the correct answer. Another important location which was in news today was, okay, Palmyra. Where is Palmyra? It is a United Nations, okay, UNESCO heritage site. Palmyra. Can anybody tell me where is Palmyra? Where is Palmyra located? It's an heritage site, UNESCO heritage site. Can anybody tell me? Today it was in news, guys. Palmyra. It is in Syria. Guys, you should know the name of all those heritage sites which have been destroyed in last 10-20 years because of civil war. So this is one of the historical sites in Syria which has been destroyed by the last 1 decade of civil war which is happening in Syria. Okay, Palmyra, very, very important. It is a UNESCO site. Okay, guys. So, okay, so these were some of the international relation news which was there in today's newspaper. Okay, now we will move on to history. Okay, art and culture. So, guys, NCERT has decided to include chapters on classical dance. NCERT has decided to include chapters on classical dance in the NCERT chapters. So guys, can you tell me which are the classical dance in India state wise? Bharatnatyam, it is classical dance of which state? Bharatnatyam, classical dance. Guys, let us see classical dance. Okay, classical dance, Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu. Okay, then we have Kathak. Kathak is Uttar Pradesh. Then we have Kathakali. Kathakali is what? Kerala. Then we have Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is Andhra. Okay, then we have Manipuri. Manipuri is Manipur. Then we have Mohiniyattam, Kerala. Odissi, Odisha. And Satariya dance. Can anybody tell me Satariya dance? Which state? Satariya classical dance. Satariya classical dance. Satariya. Satariya classical dance. Guys, Satariya classical dance is part of religious practices of monasteries. It is having a dramatic expression and precise movement and devotion to the Lord. Satariya is in Assam. Satariya is in Assam, guys. So there are 8 classical dances: Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam, Odisha and Odissi. Okay, and Satariya. Okay, Satariya. So classical dances, have a look at it. Very, very important. Classical dances, have a look at it. Okay, very, very important. Classical dances. Okay. Next important topic, guys. Cloudburst was in news today. Cloudburst. Okay. What are cloudburst? Okay. What are cloudburst? Today in Hindu newspaper, they have talked about cloudburst. So technical definition of cloudburst is what, guys? What is the technical definition of cloudburst? 100. Okay. 100 millimeter of rainfall. 100 millimeter of rainfall within 1 hour, and generally accompanied by what? Orographic lift. Orographic lift. Orographic lift. 100 millimeter of rainfall. When there is orographic lift, moisture. Okay, moisture, they keep on accumulating, and when the cloud becomes very heavy, there is a cloud burst. Okay, so remember, it is 100 millimeter per hour. 100 millimeter per hour. This is very, very important. Small area of 10 to 20 square kilometer. Small area of 10 to 20 square kilometers, but it is 100 millimeter, only 100 millimeter rainfall. Okay, 100 millimeter rainfall within 1 hour. 100 millimeter rainfall within 1 hour. Orographic lift. These are very, very important aspect. Okay, in cloud burst. This was there in today's Hindu newspaper. Okay, next topic which was there in today's Indian Express. Guys, government has decided that it is going to count the PVTGs, particularly vulnerable tribal groups, in the coming census. Guys, till now PVTGs count was not there. Exact count of PVTGs were not there. Guys, PVTGs is the focus of government of India, and this is a PYQ topic also. So what are PVTGs, guys? Particularly vulnerable tribal group. They are basically having 4 characteristics. What are these 4 characteristics of PVTGs? First is, guys, they are following pre-agriculture technology. PVTGs are following pre-agriculture technology. And second, guys, their population is declining, or their population is stagnant. They do not have very good education. They are economically backward, and they have geographical remote. Okay, they have geographical remoteness. They are geographically remoteness. These are the 4 characteristics of PVTGs. Remember, guys, 4 characteristics of PVTGs. There are around 75 PVTGs in 18 states and union territories in India. Guys, example of PVTGs are the Birors of Bihar, then Jarawas of Andaman and Nicobar, the Bondos of Odisha, then Chendus of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so these are some of the important PVTGs. Okay, please go through the entire list of PVTGs. Guys, Government of India has a scheme on PVTGs which is called PM Janman. PM Janman. Guys, nodal ministry of PM Janman is Ministry of Tribal Affairs, but this scheme is implemented by 9 line ministries. 9 line ministries. The aim and objective of this scheme is to saturate the habitations of PVTGs with socio-economic infrastructure. Guys, PVTGs, PM Janman, the nodal ministries, the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, but there are 9 line ministries. There are 9 line ministries which are implementing this scheme. So scheme is implemented. Okay. Yes, Sentinelese is also PVTG. I'm just giving few examples. Okay. There are 5 PVTGs in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Sentinelese. Okay. These are also there. Nicobaris. 5 PVTGs are there in Andaman and Nicobar Island. I'm just giving few examples. Okay. So please go through this PM Janman. PM Janman scheme is very, very important. PM Janman scheme is very, very important, guys. Very, 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 very important. Okay. So guys, in the last week, there was one place which has been declared as famine affected by international body. What is that place, guys, which has been declared famine affected? Today in Hindu newspaper, it was covered. Can anybody tell me what is that place which has been declared famine affected? Guys, Gaza. Very important. You may get a question on Gaza. Okay. There were some PIB updates, guys. PIB GEM. What is GEM portal, guys? GEM portal. Today there was a PIB update on GEM portal. It has crossed 15 lakh crores. it has crossed 15 lakh crores. Guys, GEM portal is under which ministry? GEM portal is under which ministry? Someone is saying, please explain PM Janman. Again, I'm saying PM Janman is a scheme for PVTGs. The nodal ministry is the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. The nodal ministry is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. The aim objective is to saturate the socio-economic infrastructure in habitations of PVTGs. Okay, guys? Yes, government procurement. Which ministry? GEM portal is under which ministry? Okay, please look into. It is a very important topic, guys. I have covered in my PIB series. Please look into the PIB series. This is very, very important. And second is Youth Award, National Youth Award. What are the qualifications? How is the process of Youth Award? Youth Awards. Guys, awards are becoming very popular in UPSC Prelims examination. So look into National Youth Award. Every day I am giving you PIB updates. I hope you are looking at them. I hope you are looking at them. And please look into where is this GEM portal. Okay, GEM portal is in which ministry? Okay, someone is saying Ministry of Commerce. Okay, Ministry of Commerce. Okay, very good. Okay, so please look into it. It's very, very important. Please look into it. Next topic was environment, guys. Next topic from environment, invasive species. Invasive species, they basically are a threat to the biodiversity. Guys, throughout world, invasive species are rising because of trade activities. Because of trade activities and because human travel from one place to another, invasive species are spreading from one place to another, and these invasive species are threat to the biodiversity. Can you give the name of any invasive species? Lantana camara. Lantana camara. Any other species, guys? Can you give me the name of invasive species in India? They are threat to biodiversity. They are threat to biodiversity. Invasive species are very, very important, guys. Please look into them. Lantana camara is the most important invasive species. They are threat to biodiversity, guys. There are various international conventions to control invasive species. Few of them are what? First one is the Convention on Biodiversity, and second one is ballast conversion. Okay, ballast convention, not convention, ballast convention. Guys, ballast water convention. Ballast water conventions are basically about the ballast water of the ships. Okay, very, very important. These two conventions, they are basically there to control what? Spread of PVTGs. Okay, ballast water convention and CBDB. Okay, Convention on Biodiversity, CBD. Okay, Convention on Biodiversity. Okay, guys, also government of India has passed maritime bill. Okay, can you tell me, there are two international conventions which are related to IMO, International Maritime Organization, which is in news. Can anybody tell me what is the name of these two international conventions? What is the name of these two international conventions? Okay, IMO international conventions. IMO. Yes. Anyone? Please look into it. It's very important. No one is able to answer. Okay, no one is able to answer. Someone is saying UNCLOS. No, it's not UNCLOS. IMO convention. IMO convention. Guys, very important. These are in news. Marpol. Yes. Basavraj. Basavraj from Karnataka has answered Marpol. Very good, Basavraj. Superb. You are doing great. Basavraj, you are doing great. Marpol is the correct answer. Please look into. Government of India has come out with a new bill, maritime sector new bill, and this bill is basically aligned to the international conventions of International Maritime Organization. Guys, this I'm going to discuss today in my DPS lecture in the night, 10 p.m. Maritime sector I'm going to discuss today. Please do attend the maritime discussion today. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.